Hello.
So what's here?
Building. A house.
Do you see me?
I see it.
And there's a man and two kids' dog.
Yes. A lot of houses in the valley between two hills.
Yes.
And there is also a church on the hill. You see this church with a high tower.
What did you find?
To je napanáka.
Yes, there is a map.
Nevím, jak tuhle mapu udělali, prosím tě.
They took some pictures and put them on the map. And then wrote some text and it was finished.
Look what are they doing here. Look, it's a coal.
Probably. It's a coal made of wood.
Yes, I think so. Look what are they doing.
A tohle vypadá jako stan, že?
Yes, it looks like a tent.
I think they are going to make a fire there.
What is it? It's a wooden wheel, I think.
Big wheel.
Já nevím, jak furt tohle mají udělaný, prosím tě. And do you see this?
What did you find? What is it? Oh! Look, some old knives here. Can you see old knives? And here is an old key
And I
over
think
there.
those are also parts of shoe. Look, it's how they made shoes.
It looks like a shoe.
It looks like a shoe, alright. And I think this should be a belt.
So
Yes.
come.
Look, who is standing behind you? Out. What's there?
You do see it
Yes, I can see him.
behind him.
He's sitting behind a little table on the chair.
I think he is making a coin.
See this.
Those are different kind of stones.
So,
You are going here? Check it out. Check this place.
Some nice stones.
Look. Over.
Indy, but when you look through this glass, the stone under it seems to be bigger.
and look, when you
It increases what you see.
so it's also big. And you see under the so it looks also big.
Yes. It seems to be bigger than it is in reality.
This it is also big. And you see also this it is also
It's an ant. It's a statue.
Yes. And it's a bug or beetle.
You don't like it?
I see a skeleton. Dead man. Dead human, yes, it's a skeleton. This part is called a skull.
And looking behind you, there's a sword. Over there. A real one. Can you see?
yes. And do
Very old one.
a little house.
Let's go there.
This is called a church. See
Look, there's a woman taking a bath. Yes. Can you see the crown? Can you see the crown in your...
Where is the crown? It's here, definitely. And look, there is also a crossbow under the belt.
Where?
There is a crossbow. Maybe used for shooting some wild animals.
Oh, cute!
Yes, this is a
and I think those
crossbow.
are the targets.
Ah, target.
There's a soldier.
There!
Yes, I can see.
And I think coins are your favorite.
Yeah.
What did you think?
But return not to go.
This is a little crack.
It's not written not to go here.
This is just a
Look.
crack.
And two crack.
Look, what is here?
Look, what is this? It's an old cannon.
And there's also a hard hat.
And there is a soldier with a spear in his hand. Look, this is a spear.
Where's a house?
Over there.
This is a hard hat.
No, over there.
Ah, it's a helmet rather.
Well, a helmet, okay. These horses could work in the forest.
Yes.
This one also could walk in the forest.
Definitely.
Because
Definitely you
it's
could.
strong horse.
And look what a nice house.
This one is old one.
Yes, it is.
I think
What do you think?
wouldn't live in this house. I am not sure.
So do you think it's better to live in our house? Yes, I agree.
Look there.
And it is watch a nice ceiling. Look, there is some sign. There is a statue.
And there is a wolf. And I can see a wolf, Bowers. I can see a wolf.
Wolf? Yes.
And what else you know? What else can you see? This is traffic. Come.
I also
I don't
saw
care.
some dishes
Oh my goodie.
made of silver. Wow. This is the same room. Or how is it called?
Daddy, my television.
Yes, it's a television. You can watch some movies. And look, where is the badger? Show me the badger. Yes, it's a badger. And where is the fox? It's a roe deer, but where is the fox? Show me the. Yes, it's a fox. Vulpes, vulpes. Come and watch it.
Daddy,
This is a big stag deer.
Daddy. To ma cena sumaczek jak rzeką.
Check. And look, there is also Martin. Here, and a hedgehog.
A na to muszę zaopatrzyć.
Yes. And this is a little bat. I bet it's a bat.
Indy, what about mushrooms? Do you like mushrooms?
Have you seen these mushrooms? A lot of kinds of mushrooms.
And all of them we can find in our forest.
looks like our dog Jack. Look, his nose and eyes, it's very similar, and its fur is even similar.
Yeah, yes, and the shadow is, and this
Shadow,
is even bigger than this one.
yes, a shadow is bigger than the wolf. Just a cave of light. Such a nice dog. Predator.
What do we have here? Some butterflies, look. And rabbits, hares.
This is hairy hair probably.
Yeah, I think so. Come.
You like to watch hairy hair.
Here is a quail. Here is a
Here,
quail.
a little quail.
The little one, you see?
And the big quail.
Oh, this one is called in Czech koroptev. I don't know how to call it in English, but never mind. You can check it later in the dictionary.
And the quail do that.
Yes, you are right.
How do you know it?
He knows?
And you know to say it in English. Me neither.
It's a baby mammoth.
We haven't been there.
Yeah, we haven't
It's
been
a
there.
baby mammoth.
Don't touch it, okay?
It can be full of poison. Look, there's a shovel and a spade.
Dobrze są do pozycji. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.